Good day everyone. Today we will discuss about our qualifications, which is the 3D animation NC3 Superseded. Core competencies module of instruction. So for the unit of competency, we have produced key drawings for animation. So sa unit of competency po, nag-base kami sa TR, which is in the unit title. Module title, producing key drawings for animation. Same process po for the module title. And the module descriptor, this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude required to interpret the animation, specifications to produce key drawings for animations productions. Nominal duration, we have 10 hours. Summary of learning outcomes, we have 3. First, identify animation requirements. Second, producing key drawings. And last, edit, revise, and complete key drawing. So first, we have the LO1, Identify Animation Requirements. So dito po sa assessment criteria, nag-base po kami nito sa TR and nakuha namin ito sa performance criteria po. Then sa contents, nag-base naman po kami sa underpinning knowledge, and for the conditions, so nag-refer naman po kami ulit dito sa range of variables, at sa methodologies and assessment, nag-base naman po kami sa TR ulit at yung align lang po sa learning outcomes. Then kaya po namin nilagay ito yung nilagay namin sa contents, condition, methodologies, and assessment methods dahil ito po yung align sa assessment criteria. Next, for the LO2, we have produced key drawings. So same process lang po nung LO1. And the last learning outcomes, we have edit, revise, and complete key drawings. So, same process po ng mga unang learning outcomes. Kung saan po namin yung kinuha, doon po namin din kinuha ito at pinili lang po namin yung mas align po.
Unit of competency, create 3D digital animation. So, when it comes sa unit of competency, nag-base po kami sa TR, which is in the unit title. For the module title, same process din po. Module descriptor, this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude required to create 3D digital animation. For the nominal duration, 10 hours. Summary of learning outcomes, we have 6. First, we have identify requirements for 3D animation, identifying and select 3D animation software. Next, create model and images. Next, test and evaluate 3D models. Number 5, produce 3D animation. And last, evaluate 3D animation. The first learning outcomes, identify requirements for 3D animation for the assessment criteria. So, nag-base po kami nito sa TR and nakuha namin ito sa performance criteria. Next, contents. So, for the contents naman po, nag-refer naman po kami nito sa underpinning knowledge. So, in the condition, so when it comes naman po sa condition, nag-refer ulit po kami nito dito sa range of variables. For the methodologies and assessment methods, nag-base po ulit kami nito sa training regulation na align sa aming first learning outcomes. So, when it comes to the contents, condition, methodologies, and assessment method, ito po ay pinili namin and align po ito sa assessment criteria. Next, for the LO2, identify and select 3D animation software. So, same process lang din po for the contents, condition, methodologies, and assessment methods. Kung saan po ito nakuha, same process din po sa nauna. Next, LO3, create models and images. Same process din ulit po. Next, for the LO4, test and evaluate 3D models. For the assessment criteria, contents, condition, methodologies, assessment methods, ay same process lang din po dun sa nauna. Next, for the LO5, produce 3D animation, same process ulit po. And last, evaluate 3D animation, same process ulit din po. And for the contents, condition, methodologies, and assessment methods, kinuha din po namin ito based and align po sa assessment criteria.
And the last unit of competency, we have used an authoring tool to create an interactive sequence. So, sa unit of competency po ulit, nag-base kami sa TR, which in the unit title, module title, we have using an authoring tool to create an interactive sequence. So, same process to the module title and the module descriptor. This unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude required to use an authoring tool to create a discrete, interactive sequence for a multimedia production. Nominal duration, we have 10 hours. And summary of learning outcomes, we have three. Plan use of authoring tool, use authoring tool, and check functionality of multimedia sequence. So, dito naman po sa assessment criteria based sa LO1, plan use of authoring tool, nag-base naman po kami sa TR at nakuha namin ito sa performance criteria. Yung contents naman po, nag-base naman po kami sa underpinning skills. And sa conditions naman po, nag-refer naman po kami sa range of variables, and sa methodologies and assessment, nag-base po ulit kami sa training regulation na align sa aming first learning outcomes. So, lahat po ng nilagay namin dito ay aligned po sa assessment criteria, kaya po ito yung pinili namin. Then we have the LO2, use authoring tool. So same process lang po kung saan namin kinuha yung sa contents, conditions, methodologies, and assessment methods. And for the last learning outcomes, we have check functionality of multimedia sequence. So sa assessment criteria, contents, condition, methodologies, and assessment methods, same process lang din po yung paglagay namin dito. And that's all po. Thank you.